Look at how pretty this is. If you do not like to eat fresh fruits and vegetables, I'll suggest try juicing. Trust me. Hello, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll show you how to make this juice with ginger, turmeric, and pineapple. It is the quickest way to combat inflammation, joint pains, arthritis, and also to boost your immune system. All these three ingredients have amazing health benefits. So, you want to start by washing them properly. So, it's a combination of vegetables and fruits. Alrighty, so I am going to go ahead, peel my pineapple. And while I am doing this, I'll be sharing the benefits of all three ingredients. Pineapple is the main source of bromelain. What does that mean to you? It simply means that your digestive enzymes and proteins that are responsible for fighting inflammation in your body. Fear not, fear not. I wasn't going to throw all of that away. Heck no. So what am I going to do with this? If you're wondering, I'm going to make a pot of tea. By itself, no. I'll be adding some cilantro to that. And what will this tea do for you or to you? This tea is going to be so good for your gut health. It will help you to combat that bloatedness. Yes. I went ahead to add cloves to this, and let's not distract from the business of today. Out of the way, back to pineapple. Pineapples are a very good source of iron, potassium, vitamin C. I had said that it is very good to fight inflammation in your body. Yes. And guess what? It also helps to speed the healing of wounds, sinus issues, sore throat, arthritis, and asthma. Now, I love to use a slow juicer for this. Why? Because it is so effortless and gives you amazing juice. The result is excellent. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So it takes out the pulp and separates it from the juice. Sometimes I mix some of the pulp back in my juice, sometimes I don't. It's pretty optional. Now let's go back to turmeric. Turmeric, oh my God, my life has never felt the same since I started using turmeric constantly. Look at how beautiful that looks. Oh my goodness. If you ain't juicing, you're missing. So, like I was saying, it has helped me a lot. Not just for its medicinal purpose, but also for its beauty benefits. It's been argued as the most powerful herb on earth. Why? Because it helps to fight a lot of diseases and potentially reversing some of those diseases. Yes, yes, yes. That is why you should juice using turmeric. Ginger, on the other hand, helps to boost your immune system, relieves nausea, headaches, and is excellent for anti-inflammatory diseases. So what will I recommend this juice for? I'll recommend it for arthritis. It's been proven that it's good for cancer, asthma, and a lot. So this is me just adding ice to all of this goodness, and I enjoy taking this because honestly, I do not feel joint pains anymore. This is the gospel truth. And if you're watching up till this point, I really must appreciate you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. God bless you. Please remember, that's me throwing in cloves just for flavor and for its benefits, of course. Remember to like the video, leave me a comment, and please share. Let's make everyone healthy on earth. Thank you, guys. I love you. Mwah! Bye!